Hi class, today we will review the 12 days of Christmas. During this video, I will be stopping and going over with you some of the 12 days of Christmas items. This edition is a little bit different because we're doing it teacher style. So if you have any questions, please write those down and we will go over them in class tomorrow. As you can see, on the first day of Christmas, my students gave to me a little Christmas tree. On the second day of Christmas, my students gave to me a pair of gloves and a little Christmas tree. On the third day of Christmas, my students gave to me 3 red ink pens. And as you can see, class, the 3 red ink pens, once we read that, we will also read what we had before. So it would be 3 red ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. Let's go on to the next one. On the fourth day of Christmas, my students gave to me 4 calculators, 3 ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. Sometimes we get a little tongue-tied on that, but it always reads back to what we had before. So let's go to the fifth day. As you can see, the students gave to me a diamond ring, 5 diamond rings, class. And as you go through, you can read 4 calculators, 3 red ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my students gave to me 6 spelling papers, 5 diamond rings, 4 calculators, 3 red ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my students gave to me 7 pencil erasers, 6 spelling papers, 5 diamond rings, 4 calculators, 3 red ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. Okay, class, we are going to read this and notice that as you do the 8 spiral notebooks, you go count down the 7 pencil erasers, 6 spelling papers, 5 diamond rings, 4 calculators, 3 red ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. As you note, it repeats everything that you had said before. On the 9th day of Christmas, my students gave to me, what was it, students? Do you remember? 9 red trapezoids. As you look, we're going down 6, 7, 5, and a pair of gloves, and a what, class? A little Christmas tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my students gave to me 10 tissue boxes, 9 trapezoids, 8 spiral notebooks, 7 pencil erasers, 6 what, class? Remember 6 spelling papers, 5 diamond rings, 4 calculators, 3 red ink pens, a pair of gloves, and a little Christmas tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my students gave to me 11 purple pencils, 10 tissue boxes, 8 red. Sometimes it's hard, class. It's 9 red trapezoids, 8 spiral notebooks, 7 pencil erasers. What happens is we're going so fast that we forget. That's why we must memorize what each item is. We can always remember the little Christmas tree. Let's see what the 12th day of Christmas holds. 12th day of Christmas. Whoa, looky there, students. We have 12 chocolate bars, along with our 11 purple pencils, 10 tissue boxes, 9 red trapezoids, 8 spiral notebooks, 7 pencil erasers, 6 spelling papers, 5 diamond rings. That concludes our lesson today, class. I hope this helps you. Just keep playing the slideshow just over and over, and hopefully that helps you memorize. Thank you.